Alright, so yo, we have good news. We have good news and not so great news. So the good news is some of my pepper plant, not some of my pepper plant them start to blossom.
Oh, what's up?
What's up, guys? Yo, today me go throw some fertilizer. So me realize say yo, some of my pepper plant them a blossom. I'm gonna put no fertilizer on them as yet. So today the plan is to throw some fertilizer. We come here, when? We come here last week. Yeah, we there last week and we do some weeding and when we realize say yo, the grass them a grow back again. So this look like it's a every week thing me have to weed. Now me decide one for we don't have to try this spray the herbicide through the plant, but honestly I'm afraid. I'm afraid me burn down my pepper plant them. So yo, today we just do some fertilizing. May I use may I use urea. And what urea do I give the plant them nitrogen and the nitrogen make the plant them greener and make them fruit more. When them a beer, them fruit more fatter. Now me know enough owner really me know enough persons don't support fertilizing, but as me say, me not do it me not doing this for a household purpose. Me I do this to sell to big company. And then like when them things. Then like when them pepper large. Them pepper for buy the A grade pepper them. Is it so? Yeah, that's how we do. So now when I throw this now, you don't want to throw it too close to the pepper root them because it tend to burn them up. Oh shit. Alright, so when I throw this, you don't want to throw it too close to the pepper root because you don't want to burn you up. You see it? I try to get rid of as much weed from around it, so I'm gonna fertilize the weed them too. The best time to throw a fertilizer is on a rainy day. Or when you know say your rain and fall because you want the rain to melt with the fertilizer when you throw it on the ground. Alright, so this is the root, you probably throw it like about that. Throw it a little distance from the root because you don't want to throw it too close to the root and then it burn you up. You see me? Alright, so yo, this is gonna be one very long process. So yo, I'll link you back in a little time. Because I have quite a few fertilize. Yeah, we have to take a break. Me I gotta be honest with you guys. Big man thing. Me do farming before. Before me there right here, so which I'm there. We did there one different place. Well, yeah, if you watch video you can realize. I did there now one bamboo infested area. And me do farming there. Now, honestly, this amount of pepper we me have now, me never have then. Um the the the, the constant um the constant the how me manage them pepper here now, me never usually manage it then. So back then fungus, pesticide, you name it, all of them usually kill me, to tell you the truth, back then. Now, this time around now, with the help, well, the motivation with the farmer them around me, where the successful farmer them around me, because me then in a era where majority of the farmer them are successful farmer. Them got market every Wednesday, every Thursday, or every other Wednesday or Thursday. I mean, not talk about no local market. I not talk about market in our community. I talk about then go, then drive miles and go sell them produce and then come home with them money and then head a farm a morning again. Then do it as 9 to 5. So that kind of drive me for do what me I do. Plus, as I say, I love the farming. You see, plus me have one girlfriend back on my way. She business minded like me. Well, not like me. She business minded. But that have one next time. Not gonna talk about that now. But anyway, as well, the moral of the story still is, from morning midday I fertilize pepper all now me can't done. Me not even half ready for done it. Because me just a look at me have way over there so if go for fertilize pepper same way. So me not half ready for done. And I'm me alone. So in our way, me kinda tired, but at the same time, we feel good. If you know say me have so much pepper in the ground. You see it. I don't want joke farmer no more. So me have some friend who say me a joker farmer. Not in a bad way still no. Me make sure me clear that up. It's not in a bad way. It's because of how me do my thing. You see it? But then can't see that no more. So as me say, me back to the farming, me back to fertilizing again. You're easy with the while we are doing it. Alright, so we have good news. We have good news and not so great news. So the good news is some of my pepper plant them start to blossom. And as you can see right here, I don't know if you can see it, but then start to blossom, right? Now the bad news is and all of them are blossom, and the reason why all of them are blossom or majority of them are blossom one time is because of how me plant them. Like me plant them like several weeks behind each other. So like made a plant today and then like 2-3 weeks later me plant one next set, and then 2-3 weeks later me plant one next set. So that kind of have its advantage and its disadvantage. The advantage is and everybody already one time, so me now can get one large amount of produce one time. For now still, until everybody bear. So when everybody reach mature stage and start bear now, me can pick a large amount of pepper one time. But for now, me go realize a few pepper. I get a few pepper for now. But at the same time, pepper plant them a blossom. And I'm kind of excited to see. Sorry, me have to show you this. Look on this cutter here. Alright, so for those who don't know, cutter is like a cricket, right? And some people say they live in the ground, but they want to see how they're so active up and down in the field. When they say they're not ground, they're active. Alright, so I kind of know so me a stray from what we talk about, but let me just inform a little bit about what is a cutter. Cutter like them kind of look like a cricket, as you can see. If you see what me just show you just a little, them look like one cricket, and what they do now is then cut down the pepper, then cut down not pepper tree, then cut down your crop. Yeah, when then they're one baby stage, then cut them down and then cut them enough. Now I was told that cutters don't like strong smelling things. So then kinda when I spray feel spray it with some strong like malatone or something like that. I don't remember any of it right now. But then don't like it, so then tend to stay far from it. But as soon as it cool down, then gone again and I cut. So as we just said now, back to the main story. My pepper tree them a blossom. Them a blossom enough. Well, one section of the farm still. One section, every look me look, me see blossom. Right? And that's one good thing. Now, one day me come here, me weed down the place and watch her. Literally a week ago, me come here, come weed down the place. I look here again. Now to the rate of how them a weed they grow, it look like say yo, me have to cut, me have got something. Me have to cut grass like, me have to weed like every day. And me not have the time for that, honestly. But whenever you weed down your place, yo, your plant them stand up. Because your plant they not fight with no grass over the water or a fight over forget nutrients or a fight over forget sunlight. Ah shit. Alright, so yo, me that talk say yo the other day say. The other day, me that say yo, fertilizer for no whole expensive, is it? Right? Now, if you cut down on fertilizer, if you cut down on the price of fertilizer, you can build your own fertilizer. It's simple. Now you have different ways to do it. You can use fall dung and create fertilizer. You can the same weed. Would use weed still, but you can use different biodegradable materials to break down. Where you do now, you get a drum and put water in it and put the materials in it. And after a while, it break down and then you use that water. Now, when you're going to use the water then now, you can't just use the exact water. You still have to dilute the water. Like you use 1 cup, for every 1 cup of water, this fertilizer water you use 5 cup of regular water to dilute it. Else, as you know, fertilizer burn the plant. So yeah, you have different ways, and forget like the different nutrients. Like for example, forget nitrogen. You have to study which material can give nitrogen. One of the best material I think for give nitrogen are ripe banana. I think. I have to check it up still, but I think ripe banana give nitrogen. I think so. I'm not sure. I have to check it up. I don't want to tell you, so don't quote me on that one there, but forget the different nutrients that the plant need. You can study up and research and find out, say, yo, which plant when breakdown give you this, which plant give that. Simple. Is it? It take a little while still, and it's not as effective as the chemical fertilizer, but it's still fertilizer plant. And what that do, it cut down the cost. Because yo, 1 bag of fertilizer, the other day I pay for 1 bag of fertilizer for like 9 grand, I think. Keep on saying me. What day we buy a bag of fertilizer, I think about 9 grand to pay for it. Somewhere there about. So it's very expensive. Now if you're gonna do farming on a large scale, now you're gonna realize say yo, 1 bag of fertilizer now gonna deal. You're gonna need you're gonna need several bags of fertilizer. Rotted buck up on pepper. Anyway, yeah, that's how I say. See them, I'll talk to you and lose concentration of which one I did there. So I have to go chop back which one they're right here. So. So yeah, one day me watch a YouTuber and the YouTuber say them spend $80,000 on fertilizer. You know $80,000 how much money? And if you spend all of that on fertilizer, so you can practice ways how to cut down on the cost of fertilizer. Especially if you only do it as a for backyard farming. As you all know, me not do it for backyard farming. Probably well me never start out as that anyway still, but yeah. Me not do it for backyard farming, but still me need to find ways methods how to cut down on the cost of certain things. The other one more something. Oh, how the hell I forgot this? Yo, the other day me I talked to a gentleman. He man not really farmer, him father farmer, so he must say yo him father. What father do is use he use vinegar. The gentleman saying father use vinegar for fertilize the plant and also keep away insects. Now at the first time I hear that, but as you have to be open for anything and you do your research. Now me never get to do my research on it, so me I bring it to you guys. And if anybody have done that practice before or know anybody who do the practice before, they can drop in the comments, let me know if I want to real something. Wait, tell me what you think. Less fertilizer upon plants, get longer shelf life for your plant. What I don't know is if you don't fertilize a plant them, you will get some small something customers as much as how people talk. Customers don't like when they produce small. Majority of people go for the larger produce in everything. So now, but yo, you have shit. You have organic fertilizer. Sorry, the word never that come to me at the time. You have organic fertilizer, but the thing with the organic fertilizer, it's a lot more expensive than the chemical. And we as farmers tend to go for the more cheaper something as it. Now look up on and plant them look like it's a root rat. I know how that we basically don't have no water up here. So I don't know how it's a root rat. So yeah, as me that say, you can go organic. You can build your own fertilizer as well. Me have a video when me create my own seaweed fertilizer. You can check it out. So I did build my own seaweed fertilizer, but when me do something wrong. So yo, as me there I got through a fertilizer, I realize say cut down a few. Cut down quite a few, not a few, quite a few. For example, if me plant 4,000, alright, let me do the maths. Me have 24 trees, me have 7 trees leaf. So me plant out 17 trees, 17 times. So me plant out 3,000 odd pepper. Cut down probably 400 out of them. Alright, so when you fertilize the pepper, them, you don't want to have them. When you fertilize a crop on a hole, there's some that can't too close. The fertilizer can't too close because if you don't know, if it get fertilizer burn, it burn up the pepper them. Either come like a spray not gramazone, sorry. That come like a spray herbicide on the pepper them. And it burn them up, you see it? Alright, so the most important thing now, what you're going to need when you fertilize a plant them, are the water, or the moisture, or the soil for melt the fertilizer, is it? If it's not melty, you basically, whoa, you must step on that pepper. But yeah, if it's not melty, you basically waste a pepper. Yeah, you basically waste a fertilizer. So yeah, earlier we talked about cutter and way cutter do, you see it? So a good example of what cutter do. Watch out. Look on this. The cutter chop down the whole of the pepper, the whole of the pepper tree. Cut it down clean. You can look, if you look, it's still fresh, so that means they're between, I got it either yesterday or today because no rain no fall. Well, there wasn't much sun yesterday, so tree still fresh as it, so. But I just one of them things there, see me? All you do just make sure you do your pest control and hopefully work out. So yeah, I'm there same way I fertilize, so. Alright, time them come to. Alright, so yo, me just hear the bus. Cause me da finna leave them, cause first thing, as a farmer, you have to make sure say you eat food. So me never stop and wait for them if done cook, so it sound like them are coming now. So me will go away, get some more of the fertilizer, probably eat some of my food, and then we'll link up back down and say, is it? Alright, so yo, what we da talk about? Yeah, I do so much something that I not even remember what I talk about. Oh, back to the reason why we're here today. Now, me day I fertilize. As you can see, I'm alone then I bushed in the farm today. So it kinda take a long time for fertilize for throw fertilizer. As I was saying, now during winter time, who know, me I go inform you. During winter time, your pepper plant them tend to bear less. The reason why they tend to bear less is because pepper don't really like cold. Now, what we want to know is there a technique or is there a way where we can get more out of my plants them during the winter time? If nobody know, can you please drop in a comment for me, please? Alright, yo, link me up on Instagram or something and tell me. Yeah, but alright, so yo, me da fin. Shit. Hold on. Sorry about that. Yeah, so yo, when I finish, you hear me? I keep on saying we. I'm alone out here today. Me not finish as yet, but what me I go do now is me I go up, see if me can get some more fertilizer, and rain look like you have to come and see it. So
Oh. I mean, me the turn say, yo, me I go eat, so me never eat, so me I go eat, and now. Top chef cook. See if me can eat when cook. Say, yo, talk to you later. Alright, so we're at the end of the video. Please remember to like, share, subscribe as usual. Any comments or anything, feedback, anything like that, please drop in the comment section. And also, yeah, remember me asked about the vinegar where people said they use as fertilizer. Anybody know anything about that, please? Vinegar? I don't remember. Yeah, remember me asked about the vinegar when Mary said that I was told that people use as fertilizer and also as an insecticide. Yo, if nobody know nothing about that, yo, drop in the comments, let me know. I look for the feedback. Anybody know nothing about that, drop in the comments, let me know. I look for the feedback, please. So, out.